Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mike with Specialist ID, and I wanted to show you our beautiful SPID-9620. It's a super heavy duty industrial strength ID card slot punch, and it's used for punching the rectangular holes you use for your ID badges. So these are standard 80/30 cards. They're the size of a credit card, and this slot punch can melt through them like butter. And it takes it nice and easy on your wrists and on your hands. So if you have to print and punch 100 cards, no problem with this beast. So you'll see here's your standard badge reel. And there's the little punch right there. See that? So fits just right in any lanyard, badge holder, ID card clip, whatever you have. Yeah, whatever you have to hold your ID badges, it's going to work just fine. So this lever takes it really easy on your hands and your wrist. It's super easy to push down. Secondly, it has these adjustable slides here that lock your cards into place. So sometimes when you're doing this, it can be hard to tell where to place the cards. So it will, slot right there in the middle. But that's not a problem with this particular item. So you'll see here, there's some little dots. Let's zoom in real quick. Little tiny dots. Can you see them? There they are. So one, there's another. They're kind of hard to see, but they're all over the place. And they actually show you right where you need to slide these metal plates to get a perfect punch every time right in the middle. So if you wanted to do a vertical card like so, you would simply line up the metal plate there, here, along those little dots. Or if you want to do a horizontal card, they have other dots. They're a little further out, and you just line it up, and then you go ahead and twist to lock it in place. And the same thing with the one up top to make sure it's the right height. So that way, if you're punching tons and tons of cards, they all come out the same every time, and all of your cards will come out perfectly and look just like that. So that is the SPID-9620, and it's one of our top sellers, especially for back to school season. A lot of schools love these. Same thing with large businesses, small businesses, medium businesses, government agencies, anyone that has a lot of ID badges, which is pretty much everybody. If you need to print, you need to punch your cards, this will work real nice. We love it, and we think you will too.